So my mom had me when she was, well, before she got married to this home, when she was in her mom's compound or her dad's compound. And then we got married here together. Hello, Littlesilver family. How are you all doing? I hope you're fine. Welcome to this video. This is the Littlesilver Dubai channel. For my subscribers, thank you so much and welcome. For the new viewers, thank you, darlings, and you're welcome to subscribe to this awesome channel and support us, enjoy our content and everything else. I'm on a therapy journey since a few months ago, and here is my story. I shared part 1, and you may wonder, like, what is bothering her? Like, what does she want to ask her mom? I grew up in an extended family, and those families are sophisticated, but that's not it. The thing is, like, so my mom had me when she was, well, before she got married to this home, when she was in her mom's compound or her dad's compound. And then we got married here together. Yeah, so she got married when she already had me. And for some reason, it didn't work out with my biological dad. So she got married to my stepdad, who has been very awesome, wonderful dad, provided for me, treated me like his own kid. How I came to know was, like, no one told me, and that's why I started to question stuff and I wanted to connect the dots. First off, I like to arrange stuff, like, since I was young, long time. I like to arrange stuff. Like, my mom would leave me in a house and I would change every other time, change the setting to this direction. And then there was this bag. It was a green safari bag. So every time I changed the setup and touched that bag, she always had problems with me touching that bag. So, who are kids? And I think we tend to orient ourselves to the things that we are told not to do. Like, you always do the things you are told not to do. So I told myself, what is with this bag that I kept on being told not to touch it? Or every time I arranged it or put it in a separate place, she would always, like, have a problem with that. I didn't see why she would have a problem. So one time she went on a normal daily activities, and I decided today is the day for this bag. I will go through every single thing in that bag, and that's where I got a notebook written my dad's name, and when I was conceived or something, just, you know, those notebooks, like, people keep, everyone keeps notebooks. So that's where I got my dad's name. I was like, oh. So this is why she always have problems, because, like, I knew nothing. And then I started to link stuff. Then I checked on old photos. I saw myself young, like, I already asked her that part, and she said she got married when I was 2 years. And in my real normal life, I like to move, like, I like shifting homes, and I always didn't actually remember nothing from before I came to this home, like this stepdad's home. So I started asking myself, why is it that I don't know nothing about that? I should have been excited shifting from the other home to this home. And I didn't ask her because I was in like primary school. I guess I was like 10 or 11. I could be 10, 11 or 12, like, but less than 13. But I didn't ask her. I acted normal when she came back. We stayed until I finished primary school and I was going to secondary school. So there was a fundraising for me to go to secondary school. And I didn't ask anything, remember? So in this fundraising, she welcomed, like, she didn't know I know, but she invited my real dad. And that time I was just a big age, I think. I don't know, maybe, yeah, I don't know how old, but yeah. She welcomed my real dad. And at some point he started like calling and wanting to talk to me, but then I was totally unbothered. I didn't know, maybe I could have created any connection, but I was unbothered that time. And at some point in my mind as well, I was like, okay, I know it didn't work out, so if I ever want to know about him in future, it's because I just want closure, that's all. Because he was not there. I was brought up in a happy family. Even though there are problems, that every family has problems, so I accept that, and I accept that it didn't work out with my mom. So I really didn't care about him because, yeah, I have also had a few boyfriends, which I didn't end up marrying, so that's okay. I was just a mistake, and yeah, so my only like a motivation is just like inquiry, like, why didn't you just tell me? So when he was invited to the fundraising, no one told me about him, but personally I knew he is my dad. So I was curious to see him. And when he came to the fundraising, my mom called me like, hey, there's someone who wants to say hi to you. And I went. I know who he is, and then they're just trying to play dumb, trying to say, hey, how are you doing? I don't know, I hope you go study well. I don't exactly remember the exact words, and I can't even attach a face to him. And I was just as well taking life easy, like, I know you, so even if you guys don't tell me who you are, I know you. I'm smart. And then what happened in that brief meeting, so when my mom was trying to introduce me to the dad, my other dad, my stepdad came, like, you see, when you see just people talking and try to join them. And then when he tried to join, it's like, in a bit, like, my mom like wrapped up the conversation and we were scattered. Like, that was it. It was done. So I just maybe kind of smiled inside, but then later in life I started questioning, like, why was that? Then I knew maybe my stepdad didn't know about him being invited, because who invites their ex to family business? I saw that was weird as well. I think my mom has as well been a bit corny in this life, just like me. But I don't question her. Like, tailor your life as however you want, as beautifully as you want, as convenient as you want. Just don't like affect people. Be happy. and live, love, and enjoy life. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next video. Hope you like, comment, subscribe, and love this family. Bye.